Good morning. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. This morning I am going to fix an apple dump cake. So it is really simple, especially if you don't have a lot of time. All you do is you take a bag of apple cinnamon muffin mix. You're going to need some light brown sugar and a can of apple pie filling. All you have to do is sprinkle this in the bottom. If you use 2 bags, you need a 9 by 13 dish. Preheat your oven to 350. This really smells good. And like I say, it's just, I got the Martha White apple cinnamon muffin mix. You need a can of apple pie filling. And it says just to spread over your mix, your muffin mix. Don't forget to have your stove on 350. You need a 1/3 cup butter pats. We're just going to cut us some butter pats and just lay them on top of your apple. And you can fix this and then go ahead and put it in the oven and let it be cooking. And you go ahead and get your other stuff for the day done. It's not anything that you've got to stand here and watch over. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. And offer you your comments. And tell me something you would like for me to cook for you, please. That should definitely be enough. I'm using Land O'Lakes unsalted butter. And all you have to do with your brown sugar. I just heard my stove go off. I had it set on 350. Now that is all I have to do except put it in the oven and cook it for 45 minutes at 350. One of the simplest things to make. We'll come back in 45 minutes and see how this is. Okay, my apple dump cake is done. And so I got it out of this stove. And let's just see what it looks like or tastes like. It definitely needs to cool a little bit, but you know me, I'll usually try it once we get it out. Smells real good, looks very good. Now let's just taste and see what we've got. Got a really good taste to it. I used Martha White apple cinnamon muffin mix, a can of apple pie filling, and some brown sugar sprinkled on top. Put it in the oven. Oh, and some butter. I'm sorry, you're supposed to put your butter on before you put your brown sugar on. Put your butter pats on it, and then put your brown sugar on it. Cook it for 45 minutes at 350, and you've got your dessert ready for tonight. And again, Around the House with Kay and Tom. Simple recipe, quick. And it's called an apple dump cake. And again, Around the House, Kay and Tom, come back to see me. Subscribe to my channel. And give me your comments. Have a very good day. You dump it all in one bowl and cook it and you're done with it.